A day at the Disneyland Resort is unlike any other, and now guests have an exciting new tool to manage the magic in their day. So, how does Disney MaxPass work? First, you need your trusty smartphone and the Disneyland app. Next, sign into your Disney account. Next, it's time to reserve a FastPass return time. Tap the Get FastPass button. If you didn't purchase your tickets through the app, you can easily link your park ticket or annual pass to your account by scanning the barcode on the back of your ticket. Once your tickets are added, you'll be invited to purchase Disney MaxPass if you haven't already purchased it as an add-on to your park ticket. For guests traveling with family and friends, create a MaxPass party by scanning each group member's tickets. One person can manage FastPass reservations and PhotoPass images for your whole group through their app, so you can enjoy attractions and capture memories together. Speaking of PhotoPass, guests with MaxPass can enjoy unlimited photo downloads from your day. It's simple and easy to download and share your photos without even leaving the app. With your purchase completed, you'll be shown a list of FastPass attractions. Select the attraction you'd like to experience, and you'll see the first available FastPass window. Simply tap to confirm your FastPass for that time. Once your FastPass window's open, your party can head straight for the FastPass return line. Open up the barcode on your app, which you can scan directly at the FastPass entrance. You'll scan once for each member of your party, and then you're on your way.